This video will teach you how to use the Lematec Sandblaster gun to create wooden logo signs and surface treatments for wood. We will take a piece of unused wood and utilize it to create a wooden textured logo sign. In advance, we have already prepared a metal template with the company logo to use as a mask, which is very useful for sandblasting on any object. Of course, you can also design your preferred pattern and use the Sandblaster gun to create your unique artistic creation. Firstly, install the air filter to prevent moisture from entering the Sandblaster gun during the sandblasting process. Next, load the abrasive material. Different abrasive materials will affect the outcome of the sandblasting, so it's essential to choose the appropriate one beforehand. This time, we are using aluminum oxide. Before sandblasting, use appropriate safety gear. Place the logo template on the wooden board for sandblasting, maintaining a consistent distance and moving the gun evenly and quickly. With that, a wooden logo sign is completed. You can also make your house number plaque this way. As you can see, this piece of wood has a unique shape with various angles and crevices. The advantage of the Lematec Sandblaster gun is its ability to reach every corner and quickly perform surface repairs, making it perfect for wood artists. Even a large piece of wood can be quickly and easily surface treated. Let's start sandblasting.